Number 1. Money. Want to get into a top college? No problem, just have daddy donate half a building and maybe even consider giving the school a small gift of $1 million. But if you want to spice things up, you can also just have mommy give $10,000 that they get administering your SAT exam so that he can give you a little 400-point boost to your SAT score. Number 2. Essays. The one thing standing between you and Harvard University, the common application essay, also known as the tell me your life story in 650 words even though you're only 17 and probably just play Minecraft with the boys and eat pizza every day essay. But that's okay because you can always just have your parents pay some dude with a PhD in English to write your application essays for you. Number 3. Competition. Since most college acceptance rates are dropping every year, high school students have to work harder and harder each year just to make themselves more competitive, which is awful. This basically means you're taking more honors and AP classes, participating in a dozen different activities, studying harder for the SAT, and also studying for multiple SAT subject tests. On top of that, there's actually a thing called the SSAT that some middle schoolers take to get into top high schools. I wouldn't be surprised if in 10 years, kindergartners have to take the SAT just to get into elementary school.